welcome to TechSpark. We are back with another video, and in this video my topic is going to be about how to enable the slow motion option in Redmi Note 5. For this purpose guys, just go into the camera, and after going into the camera you can see the video option in the right bottom. Just click on the video option and you can see there are options just above the red big dot. Click on it and click on the slow motion, this one. Now all the videos you will shoot will be in slow motion like this. I'm going to move my hand in front of the camera and you can see the slow motion thing. Let's check it out. Now let's see it. As you can see, the video is in slow motion. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please give this video a like and comment down below if you have any suggestions or questions, and please guys don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.